Hello and welcome. My name is Steve Atkins, and this is the third in a series of short interviews that we've filmed looking both backwards and forwards at the work of the Java Card Forum as it celebrates its 25th anniversary this year. This time I'm joined by Claus Dietze, Senior Director of Global Standardization, G&D, Mobile Security, and the Chair of the Board of the Trusted Connectivity Alliance, a global non-profit industry association which is working to enable a secure connected future. The Java Card Forum has worked closely with the Trusted Connectivity Alliance over the years, and Claus is going to share some of his thoughts as to why such a collaboration has been necessary and how it's shaped the evolution of the Java Card platform. So Claus, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
Let's begin with a simple question. What is the role of Java Card in telecoms, and how has it evolved over the last 25 years?
Yeah, well, Java Card actually is a key pillar of the telecoms industry. It's a key technology for our secure element ecosystem. And why is it like this? It's because it's providing the capabilities that our ecosystem actually needs, right? First of all, it's providing the flexibility, but it of course also provides one of the main features and capabilities, interoperability. And due to this, many of the demands that the ecosystem has could be answered. And that is one aspect. The other aspect of evolution, of course, is with regards to its market share. So you may know that the TCA, formerly the SIM Alliance, is tracking actually its members' market data. And we have started doing this also almost 20 years back, not 25 years, but 20 years back. And we have started tracking the market share of Java Card into 2004 already. And back then, I think it's not a secret if I disclose that we have a market share which is significant, but not yet reaching the level of native operating systems. So we had something like 40% or something. And since then, the market share of Java Card and its adoption in the field steadily grew year by year, year over year, until actually last year. And we even see that this is going to grow further in the future. So with new technologies, new exciting technologies like the eSIM, for instance, we even see that, and I can state that at least as far as I'm aware, all the eSIMs that are commercially deployed out there in the field are all based on Java Card technology. So it has evolved a lot because it's adapting its requirements and its capabilities to the need of our ecosystem very well.
How has the TCA and Java Card Forum collaborated?
This started back many years, actually. So the way how TCA is organizing its work is by establishing working groups. And one of the first working groups that the TCA has established was dealing with interoperability. And that is a working group which is still alive, actually. And of course, Java Card was a brand new technology in the early days. And even though it was claiming to be interoperable from the beginning, you have seen that different vendors actually interpret the specifications slightly different, I would say, and that also some of the capabilities and features that were requested by the customers of those SIM vendors were not yet available in the Java Card specification. So proprietary extensions have been implemented, and that was always, let's say, causing some problems when it comes to the interoperability. And as we have key members in TCA that are also key members in Java Card Forum, we established some sort of exchange, right? So the findings of the TCA were then reported back into the Java Card Forum and could be brought into the specifications of the Java Card, thus enhancing interoperability and of course also enhancing the feature set.
What benefits did those collaborations bring?
As I said, it improved interoperability. So it brought benefits in particular to the whole SIM ecosystem, I would say, right? Maybe for the network operators, it brought the benefit that they had one type of application. So it brought the interoperability on the applet level in particular. So the idea was to develop an applet once and to run it on all the different platforms of the various SIM vendors. And that improved for the network operators their time to market for introducing new services on different SIM vendors' platforms, because they just had to take the existing applet and put it onto the new SIM and deploy them, right? For the SIM vendor themselves, it also reduced their efforts, because they just had to develop the application once and to run it or even license that, thus creating also additional revenue potential to other SIM vendors. So it brought many benefits by, in particular, increasing the interoperability of the technical implementations.
How does the TCA see Java Card changing in line with the evolving Internet of Things landscape?
Yeah, well, the Internet of Things actually is very fragmented. So everyone is understanding something different underneath this term. So you have a wide area of use cases. You have a wide area of different types of devices. But what they have in common is many or most of those devices need to be connected. So they have a need for connectivity again. And we think that this connectivity should be trusted. In the IoT, you don't have the security experts nowadays, or in the early days at least. They think, let's connect the device and talk about security later. So we think we have to make sure that this is done from the very beginning. So with the technology that we are offering, with the SIM technology, with the eSIM technology, but also with the integrated SIM technology, we are providing a foundation for, first of all, enabling trusted connectivity, but of course also for putting additional applications on top of those platforms that are increasing the security level of the IoT in general. So we think that with Java Card, we can inherit the benefits that we have from the traditional SIM, and we can take it and transfer it over into the IoT. And just to add on top of that, of course, we also think that with the eSIM technology, which is based on Java Card these days, we are also enabling the IoT to be, let's say, trusted and more secure. So there is a lot that Java Card can bring with regards also to low power, with regards to memory sizes and so on and so forth. So many features that Java Card is implementing already that we can leverage very well. So I think the future is bright for Java Card in IoT, and I'm very much looking forward to a continued collaboration between the two associations on this topic as well.
Claus, thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks a lot for having me.
That was Claus Dietze of the Trusted Connectivity Alliance. My name is Steve Atkins, and this is the 25th anniversary of the Java Card Forum.